So, hi everyone, this is me, Aman, and you're watching our channel, Aman Official. So, it's been so long since I post my video on YouTube. This video is very interesting and so much funny because this is the first video I am shooting about unboxing. Yes, the unboxing video, which is from the Man Company. Yeah. Just I want to say one thing to you guys, that is, if you are new to my channel, just hit the subscribe button and like my video. If you are already a subscriber, just enjoy it. So without wasting your leisure time, let's get started.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly.
So guys, I bought this box at rupees 349 from the official website, that is the Man Company. You will get this at rupees 349 rupees only. It will be delivered to you. It will take about 3 to 5 days, and I got delivered within 3 days only. Yeah, there is a link in the description. You can check out the official website to get this product, guys. Thank you for supporting me, and I always love you guys.